Commercial fire alarm systems are an essential part of building safety, protecting both lives and property in Austin, Texas. These systems are designed to detect fire hazards and alert building occupants and local authorities quickly, reducing the risk of injury, property damage, and loss of life. Due to Austin's growing commercial sector, which includes high-rise office buildings, retail centers, and industrial facilities, the installation of reliable and compliant fire alarm systems is crucial for business owners. Commercial fire alarm systems are designed to detect smoke, fire, heat, or other hazardous conditions in a building and initiate a warning system to alert the building's occupants. These systems work by combining various sensors, alarms, and notification devices to provide early detection and facilitate quick evacuation. Commercial fire alarm systems are an essential part of safety in Austin's bustling commercial environment. Understanding how these systems work, how they are installed, and which types of systems are most suitable for your business enables property owners to ensure compliance with local regulations and improve overall building safety.